fully loaded. I'm gonna trade solar panel and the diesel heater and some parts to it. Let's continue from the previous episode, replacing the weights that was really worn. Let's try some new sliders. Gonna mount sliders in it, 7 grams. The short side up, putting in a new 38mm boss. Put the plastic pieces in, new boss in, 7 grams sliders. Pretty close. Let's make it another one. Yeah, pretty close. So how do you put this in? Well, I've seen a lot of videos. It's still hard to figure out. This is not exactly the same shape as the Dr. pulley. You can see the 16-13, 16 times 13, 13 wide. So anyway, the way I'm gonna put them now is decided to put sort of the long side towards like this, so when you read it correct. We'll try this out and see if it works. Glixal, turn them in like that. There are many alternatives. You can put it like this, and you can put it like, sort of figure out how does it work and so on. Here you see them all in the same direction, and I guess the idea is that the weights will push them out like this and lift it all up, but it doesn't run smooth, so not sure about if this is correct. We'll see, we'll try it out. Cleaning with a brush like this is pretty effective. Otherwise you can use fuel or something, but that is not good for the environment, and it smells and so on. So it's a lot of crap. $12mm. This is the refill hole. Hopefully there's oil here. Yeah, so that's good. Let's see how much it is. We'll overfill it with approximately the same amount. It says 0.12. Also 12mm. This is the drain hole. This is how much I'm gonna overfill it. The oil is very dark, so I guess it's never been replaced. So it's about time. The engine probably has gone around 10,000 kilometers. This is the oil I'm putting in, 75W90. So I'm gonna measure it into a bowl here. Let's zoom out a bit. So it has 120 here, and it should be 120, I believe. So we'll start with filling it up with 200. Fully synthetic. Of course, tighten it. Don't overdo it, it's aluminium. I need another bottle. Am I just using this for measuring? Okay, I can get this one. I've used this before, I remember now. So I pulled this over into a smaller bucket and I'm just gonna suck it up here. Sucking this up here. Just pushing it in slowly. See if it starts dripping out. No, it doesn't drip. So I just fill in some more here. Yeah. Now it's overfilled. Let it drain out and then I'm gonna refill some more. Let the sprockets turn a bit. Filling my little cup here. About 20 milliliters, sorry. Something like that. Sorry, I forgot the light for you guys. So a little better. Again, I'm sucking this up. Okay, so we got like almost 20 more here. Hope you can see them, even though it's, yeah, it's 20, 15, 20. And then I'm gonna put the screw right back. And of course, tighten it a bit. That's it. Examining the crack. Goes here. Goes in here. And I have to clean up a bit here. So maybe it goes even down there. But I'm gonna put some kind of Chinese GB weld here. And hope for the best. Just gonna sand it down with some 80 paper. You can feel that it's not even here. Yeah, too bad. You see it down there in there also? Continues there. I think so. Gonna clean this out a bit more. Looks like it's almost continues there all the way there. And that might be why this is a bit, yeah. I sanded it and I cleaned it with acetone. That didn't work. Solid. Have to find another. Okay, let's try this Biltema Steel epoxy. Gonna mix them in a bowl here. And let it go from there. Got about equal amounts here, so start mixing them. I think it's time to apply it. starting to get messy. Yeah, it really sticks now. It goes fast. Wow. See, now it's too late. Yeah, it's really hot. Oof, really hot here. Yeah, we'll see. I've removed the spark plug and it doesn't seem right. Got 90k here. It should be nothing. I'm measuring between the plug and the earth, so looks like the spark plug is bad.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you.
Putting in a BR8 SSA. It's a lot of noise here, but I guess this is how it's supposed to be. I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. So I'm gonna tighten this and tighten that one. What happened now? I think maybe it's normal. Got me, thought it was a bit. It looks okay. I'm having the wrong. Yeah, of course. Sorry. That's what it is. 14mm. It's about time to see if there's any spark. New recharge batteries, still the same battery. Let's. Yeah, we got spark. Nice. So the CDI is good. Yeah, but I'm having, I think there's something wrong with some leaking or something since the crack, or that there's some other problems, I guess. We'll see. I got a bad feeling about this one. But now we got that. Now we cleaned the carburetor and I couldn't find any super junk in it, so maybe it was just a spark plug that didn't make it start, or there's some bigger problem inside the engine. This is pretty interesting. Now it's connected but can't turn off. You can get it, the other one, to work, and push. And turn it off. Then that starts automatically. Then you turn this one on. Still blinks. That's not good. Why is that? Oh, maybe I found it. This one is on. Is that both then? Yeah, it's okay. So it's just this one. Now it stops. Nice. I have to come from behind here. Just want to check if it connects with the piston. No, I don't think so. Okay, let's see if it starts. First start attempt. That was good. It was blowing a lot here, and probably maybe just the dry belt. We'll see. Sounded tired. Next I'll take it outside and see. Just to compare. I have a Hyosung also, as you might know. I have other videos of it. It uses, according to the manual, BP6HS, and the Kymco Fever ZX and so on uses VR8HSA, according to the manual. These were made in Thailand. I prefer the ones made in Japan, but this has Thailand on it. Thailand U44K. You can see there's some difference with the tip. They're about the same down into the cylinder, but this one uses a longer electrode. This here is the loot number. Loot number U4XL. Some fakes have a smudge here, and yeah, look at the tip. This is nickel tip electrode, and this is also nickel. You can have also iridium. It's much more expensive, longer lasting. Found a shrug from another motor I have, so I'll put it there. We're starting to get ready to try if the variator is working, or if I put the weights wrong. So what happened with the epoxy? How strong is it? Pretty strong. It didn't adhere to this metal surface, which is, and if I can, you can see if you don't grind it up, it's too nice of a finish. It doesn't stick. It's maybe a bit harder than the normal epoxy. Yeah, we'll see how it holds up. Well, got outside. The back wheel is turning real slow, so must be something wrong here. I've already released this, didn't help. So must be something wrong with the variator or something. Really odd. It doesn't spin well. It's too hard. Did I put this wrong, or? Shouldn't this free spin? Something wrong here. The back wheel, this shouldn't be spinning when the back wheel is spinning, right? There must be a missing washer or something, because if I pull this out a bit, then it spins freely. But if I push it in all the way, then sometimes the wheel starts moving, and this should be free spinning, I believe. Should not be pulling the wheel. If I hold the wheel, if I go out here, it spins nice. There must be a washer or something on the inside here missing. I'll have to go check for spare parts. See if that helps. I've removed some grease. I thought if it was too much, but I think it's this piece, the outer piece here, that's touching. So I need something to hold it out a bit. This definitely has a bowl there. Where is that from? I remove it and maybe it will, yeah, it will work better. Where is it from? Strange. Very strange. Here we have the bowl. Is it missing inside? I think I have to clean and see if there's missing any bolts, but it feels good. It should be, yeah, I'll clean it up and see. Let's see now. Now it spins nice. So a little ball bearing has found its way inside here. Of course I re-greased everything again, and now I put plenty of grease in it and it worked. So we still have a problem with the kick.
Can't look you in the face.